Hello friends, in this video we are going to make laser based anti-theft alarm. Please don't skip the video until the end. We are going to see how this device works and what are the components are required to make the device. You need a LDR, laser light, buzzer, 2N7000 transistor, LED, 220 ohm resistor, 6.8 kilo ohm resistor, 9 volt battery with cap and a PCB. Whenever going to build an electronic project, you have to refer it with the breadboard. I have given the circuit diagram in the description below. Take a PCB and assemble all the components required as per the circuit diagram. Here completed the device. We are going to see how this device will work. Yes, it works great. We are going to build the stand to hold the circuit and the laser. You can see whenever the object interrupts the laser light to fall on LDR, the circuit will activate and makes the buzzer sound and LED indication. We are going to see how it's work. In this device, the most important component is an LDR. LDR means a light dependent resistor. The resistance of the device will vary in dark and illumination condition. Under dark condition, the resistance value in 1 mega ohm. According to the voltage divider formula, we get 9 volt across the LDR. Hence, it activates the electronic switch because it requires only 1 volt. Whenever the laser exposed on the LDR, the resistance value will reduce to 400 ohm. Hence, we can get from the voltage divider formula 0.5 volt. Hence, the device doesn't turn on to make the buzzer sound and LED indication because of the electronic switch needed 1 volt. In the circuit, I am added a 220 ohm resistor series with the LED because it needs 3.6 volt 20 milliamps. Hence, we have to drop 5.4 volt in the resistor. The value gives 280 ohm. I have used 220 ohm. You can use 330 also. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Leave your thoughts in our comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.